So you ever have one of them mornings where everything was just going right? Get up, fix a delicious breakfast, sausage, and gravy, and biscuits, chocolate gravy, eggs, get your camper hooked up, everything's going smooth, get rolled out on time. Going to be early to your destination, get a good spot maybe, and then. Okay, so if you get a trailer disconnect alarm in your truck or your brake box is flashing telling you your trailer's disconnected, there are a few things you can do. That's simple, doesn't take a lot of time. I would start with looking at your pins on the back of your vehicle in here, make sure they're not broken. You should also check the pins on your 7-way on your trailer to make sure they're not bent or broken. Okay. But if you own a travel trailer of some sort and you're getting that where the trailer is being disconnected randomly, like if you hit a bump or something and then it goes off, more than likely you either have a loose wire on your magnet, which controls, that's what breaks in these electric systems on RVs, campers, most trailers that have electric brakes. Anyway, there's a wire that runs through your axle. Okay, so this is the wire I'm referring to. You can see the wires coming out of your hub here. It's coming in here. It's all put together here. It goes into the axle. There is where the problem starts. That runs all the way across your axle over to the other side, and you can see it coming out of the other side over there. You can see it coming out right there. Okay, if you're getting this alarm where it's saying your trailer's disconnected, or you're having an issue, it acts like your trailer's not back there, your lights are flashing, in other words, you don't have trailer brakes, that's the first thing I would look at. Up under your trailer, the wire running through the axle. If there's any way for you to troubleshoot that, go ahead and try that. If it's acting like it's disconnected, in the Ford it'll flash red, or in mine it did. You can get in there and maybe push that wire in and out. If the brake box goes green, then you know that's where your issue is. If neither one of them work, maybe try a dealer. They may be able to help you out. They do have machines they can hook to your truck or to the trailer, apply the brakes, and maybe see where the issue is. That didn't work for us. We wound up buying a new truck, chasing this issue down. Come to find out, it was the camper. So that's just the way it goes sometimes. If you find out that is your issue and you're a DIY person, you want to cut that. A lot of people do that. There are YouTube videos out there on people cutting that wire on each end, running it on the outside of the axle, putting the sheathing across the wire actually, and putting it on the back of their axle, zip tying it, securing it somehow or another, and they don't have any more issues. Like I said, there are videos out there showing you how to do that. You might want to do that. Save yourself some money, because a dealership's going to cost you some money to take it in and do that, unless it's under warranty, which ours was. Grand Design took care of it. They done a good job. If you keep having this issue and you don't know what it is or something, you have any question or something, feel free to ask. We'll help if we can. If this video helps you out, leave us a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you haven't already, we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get future videos.